Experience cutting-edge Waterjet performance with the Aqua Hornet LT, precision built for industrial demands. Engineered for durability, this system delivers consistent, high-accuracy cuts, shift after shift. With cutting pressures up to 90,000 psi, the Aqua Hornet LT handles tough materials with ease. A rigid, unitized frame ensures lasting alignment and structural integrity. Its independent, heavy-duty cutting table absorbs vibration and extends machine life. The high-pressure whip system delivers clean, reliable power to the cutting head. Fully enclosed bellows protect all drive axes, ensuring long-term reliability. Compact or full-scale, the Aqua Hornet LT gives you the flexibility to fit your space, application, and budget. Hypertherm EDGE Connect control and integrated CAM software simplify programming and deliver smooth, accurate motion. With pump options from 15 to 150 horsepower, you get the right power for any production need. Reduced setup time, less scrap, and lower cost per part. That's Waterjet cutting done right.